Hey guys, so I'm often asked by churches and ministries and really any sort of organization how they can add someone as a manager on their YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding a new owner or manager to your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, my name is Dave and I've been an online and social media pastor since 2008, including 7 years as the online pastor at Andy Stanley's North Point Church in Atlanta. And in this series, I'm answering your questions about online ministry. So, how do you add someone as a manager or owner to your YouTube channel? Well, here we go. Well, the first thing you want to do is click on your profile pic up here in the top right-hand side. Then you want to click on YouTube Studio. Once that opens up, go across here to Settings. And in the next window, click on Permissions. Then you want to click on Manage Permissions. Now at this point, you may need to verify the password of your Google account, so go ahead and do that. Then click Manage Permissions. Then you need to type in the email address of the person you need to add, and then choose a role for that person. And you're done. So there you go. It's that easy to add someone as a manager to your YouTube account. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if you've got any questions about online ministry, make sure you leave it in a comment down below. I'll see you next time.